Hello, I want to welcome to my channel. This channel is really about helping you to make right choices in a digital world. Through this channel, I want to provide you with tools, resources, learning to help you to decide how you make decisions, to help you to think about your career and the possibilities and opportunities that are presented in this brave new world which we call the digital marketplace. I want to help you to think about how you live your life. My name's Jonathan. I've got a beautiful wife and three grown-up children who are studying and working in various parts of the country. I've raised kids. I know the challenges of that. I know the challenges of having a career and balancing finances against the mortgage and against all the costs that are incurred. I want to offer you some alternative ways of being and open up to you a world which I believe has amazing opportunities. I've got a strong faith and I believe God guides us and leads us, and I want to work with you to help you to work out your faith in the life that you choose to live. If you have any questions or you'd like me to look at any particular content, then get in touch with me. You'll find my contact details below. I would love to hear your story. I want to help you to be the best you can be and to live in a really values-driven way. It does mean that we have to change. It does mean that transition sometimes is difficult, and it means that we have to make choices. I want to help you to make the right choice. So sign up. You'll find it below. Like my videos, and I look forward to sharing content with you over the coming weeks, months and years.